What's up guys, my name is Raquel. If you don't know who I am, welcome to my channel. So before we start this video, I just want to say I did drop new stickers. More boots to get loose, fire marks. So if you want one, go to Reckless.Raquel.com. So today we are going to be starting taking the motor apart. This is an Lq9 if you didn't see my last video. It is going in the S10 that I am slowly building that I got a little bit ago. So we are going to start taking it apart. We're going to take the intake off, probably the wiring. I'm just going to see how far I can get today, but we're just going to start taking everything apart. But yeah, I'm so excited. So let's start taking it apart and go from there, I guess. So I'm a little dirty, as you see. There's like dirt everywhere, but this is how far I've gotten. Yeah, I'm pretty much just taking it as it goes and just looking on bolts on how to take something off. But everything in the front needs to come off. I'm gonna leave the valve covers off because we're gonna get new heads. What else? Yeah, so I'm gonna just start taking everything off in the front with the wiring. That terrible. But yeah, definitely figuring it out. It's a process and I'm disgusting and I can't wait to shower. So let's get to finishing. Taking off more stuff. Yeah, my phone's dead. My storage keeps filling up, so I keep having to delete more stuff. So it's been a fun time here, but we're getting somewhere. I lost this when I first started. Okay, I'm disgusting. So I'm gonna call that's it. I'm not gonna do any more today. So that's really it for this video. Next video, we're going to take off the heads and then whatever else I need to take off. I don't know. We'll finish tearing it down in the next part. So yeah, that was crazy. I can't believe I literally did it all by myself. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty proud of myself. I didn't watch any videos or anything. I just figured it out and I'm very happy. So I'm gonna go take a shower. But that's really it for this video. If you guys are interested in the stickers, if you didn't hear me in the beginning of this video, I release new stickers that say more boost to get loose. Check out Reckless.Raquel.com if you want any stickers, lanyard, whatever. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. All my platforms are Reckless.Raquel, whether it's TikTok, Snapchat, Facebook, YouTube. All the things are Reckless.Raquel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.